All right, we're going into my living room now, and I'm going to sit in my recliner and let you look over my shoulder and walk through the menu on this thing. Disc 1 is aluminum, mostly TIG, but some spool gun on there also. Now this is a video of a video, and you can see quite a bit of detail here. And the cool thing about a big screen like this and a DVD player, it's very easy to pause, rewind at different speeds, or fast forward at different speeds. See exactly what you want, watch it over and over again. I know a lot of instructors use these for that very reason. Disc 2 is TIG. I tested a whole bunch of techniques on TIG steel, pulse, no pulse, things like that. Walking the cup is a very popular thing for students to get into pipe welding. I start out by showing this little fillet weld Tee joint here to get used to walking the cup, but then also hooked up some round stuff to simulate pipe. This is the technique, just kind of a figure eight. It's like walking a 55-gallon drum across the floor. I explain that in detail on the video. And again, this is a video of a video, and it's just crazy how crisp it comes out on the big screen. Disc 3 is stick, MIG, and flux core. Tested pulling versus pushing. If you're going to do MIG videos, you kind of got to address that thing. And pulling versus pushing on short circuit MIG. Tested them back to back, and there were some subtle differences, but you'll see on the video. Also compared it to a 332 7018 on the same thing at 90 amps. And I like that rod a lot, but you know, it's always good to test everything. You learn a lot by testing. I do quite a bit of cutting and etching on these DVD videos. Disc 4 was projects, just a handful of projects in 2017. This is a fire pit done at JD's shop, using dual shield flux core for most of it. Let the helper do most of the welding. And it was just a fun day. If owning a copy of this DVD makes sense for you, if you want to up your game, you want to invest in yourself, go to weldmonger.com. There's a link in the description of this video. It'll take you to the right page, and add it to the cart. Hey man, thanks for your support. We'll see you next week.